10 Best Current and Future in Service Republic of Singapore Air Force Fighter Jets, Special Mission Jets, Helicopters and Trainer Jets. F-16 Fighting Falcon, Role, Multi-Role Fighter, in Service, 60. F-15E Strike Eagle, Role, Multi-Role Fighter, in Service, 40. F-35B Lightning II, Role, Stealth Multi-Role Fighter, on order, 12. Gulfstream G550, Role, Airborne Early Warning and Control, in Service, 4. Fokker 50, Role, Maritime Patrol, in Service, 5. AH-64 Apache, Role, Attack Helicopter, in Service, 17. CH-47 Chinook, Role, Transport and Utility, in Service, 17, on order, 16. Super, Puma, H-215, Role, Transport and Utility, in Service, 32. Super, Puma, H-225, Role, Transport and Utility, on order, 16. Pilatus, PC-21, Role, Basic Trainer Jet, in Service, 19. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.